Dazzling electrical storms and a miraculous water birth are among the stunning pictures shortlisted for an amazing photograph competition. This year's candidates for the Agora Best Photos of 2020 remind us the world's still a beautiful place despite the COVID lockdown. Mobile app Agora launched the hashtag Best Photo of 2020 contest on March 30th. Early photographers from all over the world were invited to take part in the competition to show off their camera skills, with the winner set to walk away with almost 20. Along the past 8 months, over 35,000 photos were submitted from more than 135 countries. Along with their photos, the photographers have also included a few paragraphs on what they will do with the money if they win. From the thousands of submissions, only 50 finalists have been chosen as contenders for the coveted cash prize.